This is how to make a fast, smooth zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below.
Let's say you want to make a fast, smooth zoom on this video clip. Right before transitions, make a cut. Click C to access the razor tool. As you can see, we created a cut. Go under to your project bin, click on the fourth option or the icon, new item. We're going to click right here, adjustment layer, click OK. As you drag this over your video piece, if you want to make the zoom, click on your adjustment layer, go to effects, type in zoom. You should see we have a preset zoom in and zoom out. However, we're going to create our own. Underneath effects, type in transform. Underneath distort, you want to click here, the drop down arrow, drag transform on your adjustment layer. Now to make this free zoom effect, it's quite simple. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can do so. Right here, you want to drag down underneath transform, make sure the drop down arrow is like so. Click right here next to scale. We just toggled a free animation or we added a keyframe. And let's say we would like to zoom in, click the right arrow key on your keyboard 5 times. See how we moved the frame or the video to the right. And then now, as you can see, we can drag this right here next to scale. You can drag, as you can see here, we're dragging this to the right. See how it's zooming in? Drag to the left, it's zooming out. As you can see, that didn't quite do too much. Or if you want, you can manually zoom this out. Click on your adjustment layer, go to anchor, position. You can even type in skew. So now if you were to zoom this in and see how it zooms out, as you can see, it already zoomed in. So what you could do is make sure that this is, click on your adjustment layer, make sure this is 100. So now, see how it zooms in and then it zooms out completely for free in Adobe Premiere.